Presenting our best PVC black insulated electrical tape. General 3 by 4 inch into 20 yards vinyl PVC black insulated electrical tape. Ensure safe and reliable electrical insulation with General Vinyl PVC black electrical tape. High-quality PVC vinyl material made from durable and flexible PVC. Buy 3 packs of 6 rolls black electrical tape, only $5.99. Also buy 6 packs of 12 rolls, only $13.49. This tape offers excellent insulation and protection for electrical wiring, splicing, and bundling. With its high-tack adhesive, this tape sticks securely to surfaces, ensuring a tight, reliable bond. This tape is flame retardant, moisture resistant, and withstands extreme temperatures, making it ideal for indoor and outdoor use. Perfect for electrical wiring, cable bundling, insulation, splicing, and minor repairs. The stretchable, easy-to-tear design allows for quick and hassle-free application. Designed for professional and home use, this 3 by 4 inch wide, 20-yard-long tape provides strong adhesion, flexibility, and durability for a variety of electrical and general-purpose applications. The General Vinyl PVC black insulated electrical tape is a high-quality, professional-grade tape design. Durable PVC vinyl. This tape provides strong adhesion, excellent stretchability, and resistance to wear, moisture, and extreme temperatures. It provides excellent electrical insulation and is resistant to chemicals, oils, and UV light. It is most commonly used to insulate wires and cables, preventing electrical shocks and ensuring safe operation. PVC tape is ideal for splicing or repairing broken or damaged wires. It helps restore the integrity of the insulation. Used to bundle multiple wires together, keeping them organized and reducing the risk of tangling. PVC electrical tape is affordable, making it a popular choice for both residential and commercial electrical projects. Whether you're working on wiring repairs or cable bundling, this tape delivers exceptional durability and ease of use. Hence, keep your family healthy and safe with our PVC electrical tape. Leave us your feedback. Thanks for watching this video.